Yeah.
What's up, guys? We're down here over at Rx8. We're gonna be doing the crash bar along with mounting the radiator and everything today, so we'll bring you along on that. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're bending the front upper crash bar right now.
Just gonna bend it.
Alright, so what we're doing is we are mocking up the placement of the front crash bar. We already have the plates mounted on the car right now, so we're just trying to see the distance that we're going to need to make the bars. Let's check that bumper real quick and see how it forms.
I put this end in the bender, added a little more angle to this. Let's pull the bumper off and put the back of it.
Lay it down?
No, I need the back.
Oh, that's what I was saying. Lay it down like that. Yeah.
One side up, right on where you're marking. Right here, which should be there. I'm on my mark here. Yep, you're right there. And go about right there. Can be safe. Yeah, over your side. You can let go.
Nope. How are you gonna get?
Fuck, dude.
Right up on it?
So it's at like the lower part, which is kind of perfect because if you do a splitter, you're gonna add a tab. Can we see behind it?
Yeah, we can.
So it's actually touching right here, which you
Okay.
can cup those out.
Yeah,
or are
I'll-
you gonna use those?
No, I'm not gonna use it.
So we can cup it all. Now, if you want it up higher, I can go up higher.
No, that's fine. I think we're good.
You want it lower like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause
'Cause
then-
that's actually good for splitter mounting.
and the intercooler. Or not the intercooler,
Radiator.
the radiator.
Yeah.
We can get a little more angle out of the radiator, so that way it's not flat, you know what I mean? Alright, so they're welding up the crash bar right now. We bent all the tubes and everything. We got the lower so we can mount the radiator and everything, and it will protect the radiator. Now we're just tacking everything up and welding it up. Alright guys, we got the crash bar made. We even made the lower support for the radiator, and it should protect the radiator from anything like we go off course or anything. Should protect it pretty well. If I hit something hard enough, well then it'll take out the radiator too either way. I just wanted something to protect it from like small, debris that might be on track or whatever, maybe a cone or something. I just didn't want it to hit the radiator and end up taking out the radiator if we were on track. Alright, I want to show you guys the fitment with the new bumper that we're going to be using. Alright, so you can barely see any of the bars, which is really nice. We're going to be able to duct the radiator and intercooler very well. You can see our intercooler mounted and everything. So now all we got to do is the radiator.